Hey there, viewers. Are you ready for a push-up challenge? Are you curious about the power of a simple exercise and how just 50 push-ups a day can revolutionize your fitness journey? Exercise can be a grueling task, but the results are undeniably rewarding. Like most of life's endeavors, the sweetest fruits come after the hardest climbs. In the realm of fitness, push-ups are a classic, but have you ever stopped to think about the real impact they can have on your body? Push-ups are not just about building arm strength. They're a whole-body workout that promises a myriad of benefits. From sculpting a stronger core to enhancing your posture, this simple exercise is a powerhouse of fitness transformation. And the good news? You can reap all these rewards and more. So let's dive into the ways 50 daily push-ups can reshape your body and boost your health. Firstly, push-ups are the cornerstone of strength training. They're an all-encompassing exercise that targets your triceps, biceps, pectoral muscles, and shoulders. But the benefits don't stop there. When executed with proper form, push-ups engage and fortify your core and lower back, setting a foundation of strength that permeates through your entire body. Imagine starting your day with a surge of energy and an improved posture, all thanks to a dedicated routine of push-ups. Weak core muscles often lead to slouching and discomfort, but by strengthening these muscles, you're essentially fortifying the backbone of your body's posture. Regularly, integrating 50 push-ups into your routine won't just make you look taller, it'll make you feel invincible. And as your core becomes a fortress of strength, you'll notice an increase in your overall upper body prowess. Each push-up is a symphony of muscles working in unison, from your arms pushing the weight of the world away to your chest and shoulders rounding out a silhouette of strength. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about empowering your body to handle everyday tasks with ease and confidence. Now let's dive deeper into the benefits of daily push-ups to your core. Number 1. Daily push-ups. Strengthen the entire core region. Push-ups are a compound exercise, meaning they target multiple muscle groups at once. While the primary focus might seem to be on the arms and chest, push-ups demand a strong contribution from the core muscles to maintain proper form and stability. Each repetition engages the rectus abdominis, obliques, transverse abdominis, and the muscles around the lower back, providing a balanced workout that can lead to improved core strength over time. Number 2. Daily push-ups. Enhance core stability and balance. A strong core is fundamental for stability and balance. During push-ups, your body must maintain a rigid plank position, which requires significant core engagement. This act of stabilization works the core muscles intensely, improving your ability to maintain balance and posture in various activities, whether it's during athletic performance or daily tasks. Number 3. Performing these daily supports a better posture. A weak core is often a contributing factor to bad posture. Regular push-up exercises strengthen the muscles necessary for supporting an upright posture. By enhancing the strength and endurance of core muscles, push-ups help in reducing slouching and promote a more aligned and upright posture, which can alleviate issues like back pain and provide a more confident appearance. Number 4. Daily push-ups. Reduce risk of back injury. By strengthening the core muscles, push-ups can contribute to a lower risk of back injuries. A strong core means better support for the entire spinal column, reducing undue stress and strain on the back muscles. This support is crucial, especially for individuals who might sit for extended periods or engage in activities that put a load on the back. Number 5. Improves functional movements in daily life. A strong core enhances your ability to perform everyday activities with ease and efficiency. From lifting groceries to climbing stairs or even playing sports, the rotational, bending, and stabilizing movements all originate from the core. Push-ups help in building a core that is not only strong but also functional, making daily movements more effortless and reducing the risk of strain or injury. Number 6. Enhances performance in various sports and workouts. Many athletic movements and other exercises rely heavily on core strength and stability. Push-ups help in building a foundation that benefits performance in almost any sport or physical activity, from running and cycling to swimming and weightlifting. A strong, stable core allows for more powerful and controlled movements, improving overall athletic performance. As your body rises and falls with each push-up, you're not just moving muscles, you're orchestrating an increase in your body's production of human growth hormone. This is crucial, especially as you age. HGH supports the natural growth and rejuvenation of cells, making muscle development and maintenance a smoother journey. Speaking of rejuvenation, let's talk about calorie burning. Push-ups are a powerhouse in burning calories and shedding unwanted weight. They demand energy and engage multiple muscle groups, leading to an efficient and effective calorie burn. The logic is simple: more push-ups equal more calories burned. As we continue to explore the transformative effects of push-ups to create a healthier, stronger, and more resilient version of yourself. And if you're enjoying the journey so far, consider joining our Body Blueprint community by subscribing for more empowering content. Daily push-ups also improve joint support. Performing push-ups every day can significantly bolster the support around your joints, especially the shoulders. By regularly engaging these muscles, you're ensuring the upper arm bone remains securely seated in the shoulder socket. But remember, moderation is key. Start with a manageable number and gradually increase to 50 push-ups or even beyond as you become more comfortable and stronger. Another added benefit is that it boosts cardiovascular health. As you engage large muscle groups in the lifting and lowering motions, your heart rate increases, leading to a stronger, more efficient heart muscle. The exercise helps in dilating the blood vessels, improving blood flow and oxygenation throughout the body. This dilation is not just beneficial during the exercise, but also helps in maintaining lower blood pressure levels even when you're at rest. Always listen to your body and consult with health professionals, especially if you're new to exercise or have existing health conditions. With proper technique and consistent effort, push-ups can be a powerful tool in enhancing not just your physical appearance, but significantly contributing to a robust, healthy heart. With all these benefits, there are also potential risks associated with doing push-ups daily. The primary concerns are injuries, back pain, and hitting a fitness plateau. To avoid the dreaded workout plateau, diversify your push-up routine. Try wide, narrow, forward, or backward variations to challenge different muscle groups and keep your body guessing. Each variation targets different areas, so mixing them up not only keeps your routine fresh, but also ensures balanced muscle development. And that's a wrap on the power of 50 push-ups a day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support fuels our passion to bring you more content like this. And remember, for more intriguing insights into fitness and health, stick with us right here on Body Blueprint.